Now the next step is to create a table which reports all this data. So I'm going to select this data, as you can see, and I'm going to information, and here we're going to do the following. First of all, I don't need the title. Okay, I'm gonna remove this chart title. Then I'm going to do the following. Select this, the millions. Then I'm going to select this chart and select data, edit. This one is budget. Okay, I'm gonna cut this now. Okay, and I'm going to my dashboard and I'm gonna paste this here. Here we are. Chart type, we're gonna change this. We're gonna have a combo. The budget is scatter with straight lines. To do this, gonna select this one, no line, market option, built in. I'm gonna have a line like this. Okay, here we are. I'll make it a bit bigger. Okay, this type. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna change this. Our default colors, you can choose the one that you want. For the second one, we're going to choose. We have our chart here. Okay, a bit bigger maybe, even like this. Okay, we're gonna make it like this one. Okay, so we created our chart where we're going to display. Okay, I'm gonna change this. This is gonna move for the same reason that the one below is moving, so this is gonna make it smaller. Okay, you see this moving according to how I select this. Maybe this one has to be marker, make it a bit like that, and we compare with that. Okay, I'm going to do like this. I'm going to make it this a bit smaller. Okay, so that I put the equal to this one, to this cell, and here we are. Okay, I'm gonna make so we created this chart, and changing here the category, we get different for both. Here we are. Okay, good. Then now I want to add another graph here, another chart here, and I will show you first of all how to create a table with valid values for this analysis, and from this table we're gonna create here a chart. See you in the next video.